Helo bawb, shwd i chi? Fi lan yn y shed botio. I'm up in the potting shed, and over the past few weeks I've realised there are so many of you who follow Adam and Ardd who perhaps don't speak Welsh but are learning Welsh. So I've decided, and I'm toying with the idea of creating a weekly video just going around the garden on a bit of a tour, discussing some of the things I'm doing, beth dwi'n gwneud yn yr ardd, o wythnos I wythnos, from week to week, to try and introduce Welsh language vocabulary to you in the garden. So if you've got a keen interest in gardening and you want to learn Welsh as well, maybe these videos will be able to help you. Mae dysgu Cymraeg yn gallu fod yn hwyl, yn enwedig pan mae fe'n ymwneud gyda rhywbeth ni'n ei garu. Learning Welsh can be fun, especially when it's to do with our hobbies or things we love doing. And for me, that's Garddio, gardening. So if you'd like to join in, please leave a comment under the video, sharing some of your ideas of what you'd like to learn and what vocabulary you'd like to learn as well. And I can try and then incorporate that into the videos moving forward. Felly, rannwch eich syniadau gyda fi. There's a lot of content, isn't there, out there in terms of learning Spanish and German and other languages. And there's quite a lot of content in terms of learning Welsh as well. But there isn't any Welsh gardening content in terms of how to learn Welsh in the garden. So hopefully we can have a bit of fun, create a few videos over the next few weeks, see how they progress, and it'll offer us an opportunity to learn some Welsh words with each other. Now, dwi'n siaradwr Cymraeg brodorol, ond mae yna eiriau dwi ddim yn gwybod yn yr ardd sy'n ymwneud â garddio yn Gymraeg. Felly dwi'n gallu dysgu hefyd. So as a native Welsh speaker, there are some things in the garden that I don't even know the Welsh words for, because, for example, a lot of popular media is in English, or some new concepts are introduced, and the terminology is in English. So I can learn with you as well some of the words we've got for some of our gardening, flowers, plants, tools, you name it, anything to do with gardening. Felly, gobeithio, o'r wythnos nesaf ymlaen, bydd gyda fi daith o amgylch yr ardd, fideo dwyieithog yn cyflwyno terminoleg. So hopefully, moving forward, we'll have a weekly video that will be bilingual with Welsh and English, introducing new Welsh terms in the garden to help you learn Welsh along the way. Edrych mlaen I glywed wrthoch chi ac I siarad gyda chi yn ystod yr wythnosau nesaf. Hwyl am y tro.